Burnout's a real issue, and every employer that I talk to, it has this on their radar as a concern in their own workplace, and for good reason. In 2020, we just had to navigate so many different things as employers, and the workforce had to navigate those as well, especially in manufacturing, where employees were facing their fears and showing up for work, working on those front lines and keeping products on shelves and keeping manufacturing going. And our country really owes them a debt of gratitude for it. And so it's an important thing to think about as we move forward into 2021. How do we address this burnout? And we've actually written an article on this topic, and I encourage you, we'll include a link here that you can check it out and you can learn more. But it starts with recognizing the signs of burnout, looking for it in your workplace and addressing it when you see it. It includes things like increased absenteeism or people having inordinate reactions to what maybe might be small things that they would have let go in the past. They're just feeling a little more emotionally thin and not able to deal with some of those stresses. So be on the lookout for it, address it, talk about it, and make it okay to not be okay, to let people vent and share their feelings and then work towards solutions to keep them moving forward in a productive way. The other thing is to make sure that you have the right resources in place in terms of tools, training, processes. People will work hard, but when they feel like they're working hard because the right tools aren't there, or they don't have the capabilities or the training that they need to be successful, that will only heighten feelings of burnout. So really addressing those root causes that lead to unnecessary frustration. And then finally, and I think this is the biggest one, ever since we were little kids, we've always wanted to come home at the end of the day and brag to somebody about our good work. And I think that feeling never, ever goes away. And people are willing to work hard if they feel like that hard work has meaning and if they feel like they're winning by doing it. And I see this opportunity with so many employers to be more clear about, number one, what is the meaning of the work that you're doing? Why is it important to get those products out the door beyond just making your company profitable, which of course that's important, but at an individual level, what contribution are they making to society? What contribution does your product or service make to the greater good? People get excited about being part of something bigger than themselves. And they also get excited about knowing the contribution they specifically are making. And so if they know what the scoreboard is, if they know what winning looks like and how they measure up to that, it's so much more motivating. It makes it a game truly worth playing. And so I think those are the big moves that employers can really embrace. There's a lot more tips in the article that we'll include the link to here. I encourage you to check it out.